I'm gonna turn this beautiful head of raw cabbage into a side so delicious and elegant that it is easily a main dish. We're gonna treat this cabbage like meat. We're gonna start with the spice rub. About a 1/4 teaspoon of grapefruit zest. It works equally well with lemon. You wanna grate 1 garlic clove, hazelnuts, coriander. You do wanna remove the tough outer leaves. Trim the end. And then you want to quarter this, keeping the root end intact so that it stays in one piece. 1 tablespoon of butter per quarter of cabbage between the layers. I'm going to layer in our spice mixture. The key is a 2-step cooking method in your normal oven. We're going to cover the cabbage for the first part of roasting, and then we're going to uncover it. And that way we get this crispy charred outside, but a sweet and tender inside. We remove the core so they're a little easier to eat. And now we're gonna use the juice of the grapefruit because we want a vinaigrette. We want this to have a nice punchy, perky sauce in addition to the warm roasted cabbage. Always need something crunchy and something fresh at the end. And there you go. Butter roasted cabbage is good enough to be the main course.